Hey guys, it's Eric. Far Point Farms. Check it out. Who says you can't do real work with a 44-year-old Rabbit pickup truck? I'm hauling some landscaping equipment here. This was a winter project. I got the 5x8 trailer I picked up. It's a carry-on trailer. And I got this nice Husqvarna YTH 2042 with a bagger. Yeah, that fits on there nicely, actually. Oh, but wait, that's not all. Picked up this little Troy-Bilt push mower, just a base model, and this Troy-Bilt blower. And the idea behind this video is not to show you all the equipment I got, because you can follow that on the other channel, but it's to show that the old Rabbit truck is actually capable of doing real work. A lot of people don't think so. A lot of people see a little 4-cylinder with about 78 horsepower and think that's just not possible, but I just did 60 miles round trip with this, 30 miles down, 30 miles back with the equipment, and there was a 2,600 foot elevation change over the course of the last 6 miles, and it did fine. I guess that'll do it. I just want to make this short video talking about the old Rabbit truck, and you can hear it. I've got it running because the letting it cool off here before I unload all this stuff. Till next time, my friends, take care.